Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up a completely free online store using Google Sites. No coding needed, no coding, no hosting fees, and no stress. Just clean and simple store using free tools. Let's get started. First of all, go to sites.google.com. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Then click the blank site button to start a new site. At the top, give your site name like my handmade store or modern gadget shop. You can also click the top left title to match the website title. Start by designing a clean homepage. Add a header image with your logo or banner. Under that, add a text for a welcome message or store intro. Now insert an image carousel or grid layout to showcase your top products. Click image, then upload. Now upload your background image from your computer. It's look like that. And enter your page title, the first page. Now let's add product listings. Click pages from the on the right of the screen, then click new page. For each product on each page, add a title like product name. Insert product images. Use text boxes to describe the product price and any variations. Now add new menu section, products. Then click add footer. You can add text here. Add a PayPal buy now or Google Forms link for customers to place orders. Optional tip: you can use Google Forms to collect order details and payments using a PayPal.me link. Once you have your homepage and product pages, your navigation bar will update automatically. You can reorder pages by designing them in the Pages tab. You can select a theme from Themes tab, then select one from here like that. Click Pages, add an About Us page with your store story or mission. So this is your home page. then product page, and about us page. From your email address, add a contact us page with an embed Google form or your email address, WhatsApp link, or Instagram. Head over to the themes tab, choose uh, choose from inbuilt in styles, change fonts, and adjust colors to match your brand. Use section to organize your content neatly like testimonials or FAQs. When you are ready, click publish in the top right. Choose a site address like my handmade store.com or google.com. It's look like that. Then click publish again. You can also connect your custom domain later if you have one. And that's it. You have just built a free online store with Google Sites. It's perfect for selling digital goods, customer items, or launching a side hustle. So, from Insert tab, you can add content blocks, then add your product image like printed t-shirt or this dress like that. Then enter the product name and price. The product name like tops, stylish tops for women, price, then add a title like sound box, price, and that's it. Again, click publish, then again publish. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a PayPal button or Google form tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.